Hey everyone, welcome back to The Everyday Creative. I'm Erin and I'm here to show you how to live your most creative life without really trying too hard. Before we go any further, I'm going to ask you guys to hit the subscribe button and to hit the bell at the top right-hand corner to keep you notified when I post new content. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about quick and easy festive holiday trays. I think I got everything on my tray today from Trader Joe's, and I think it cost me probably around 20 bucks for all of the food and the snacks, and this will last me several weeks. I know in my last video we talked a lot about the different seasonal items that different grocery stores have to offer, and I love to put them all together on a quick and easy snack tray for when my kids get home after school. I think a lot of people think that these snack trays, especially around Halloween, have to be so full of candy and so full of sugar, and that's just not the case. It can be super festive just by different colors. So if you're thinking about Halloween in orange and green and purple, think grapes, blackberries, carrots. I mean, there's so many different ways to keep it healthy and not just full of sugar. One of my favorite things during Halloween is to go get those little candy eyeballs and kind of stick them onto random dips and into the random foods. Just gives it a little bit of a spooky punch, if you want to say. I'm going to give you 2 quick tips to really up your game when it comes to party trays and to really make an impact really simply. Step 1 is wrapping paper. I love to add wrapping paper to all of my tablescapes as a table runner. And I know that sounds a little bit funny, but when you go and you're looking at table runner options to really make your party or your tablescape look really fun and festive, those table runners can really add up and make you kind of gag over how much they actually cost. So what I love to do is I go over to the wrapping paper section, and you have all kinds of different prints available to you, and all you need to do is cut the wrapping paper to size or keep it as wide as you need it to be, and roll it down the center of a table. It adds like an instant party to the whole setting. Step number 2 is to find a tray with handles on it. And the reason I say this is because one of my favorite things to do on a party tray is to go and find festive ribbon and tie quick bows and kind of curl them around the food. It makes it instantly better looking, and it gives a really fun party punch to the whole tray. Now, you don't have to do any of those tips. Truthfully, you guys, setting out a tray on the middle of your kitchen island for after school snack time is an amazing way to connect with your kids, make it kind of fun when they come home. I really believe that the kitchen is a center of a home, so putting out these trays is an instant icebreaker. You can talk about their school days, you can talk about the upcoming holiday. I mean, there's so many ways to incorporate these small creative little steps in your kitchen that really bring the conversation out and really just give you a chance to connect with your family.